Light is supposedly safety. A safety in which protects us from which hides it beneath the darkness. But sometimes, someone somewhere in the day is doing something so very real and so very wrong. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre was released in 1974. Mostly to grindhouse theaters and such. It had been filmed 2 years previously in 1972, but had a hard time finding distribution due to its visceral content. Many magazines and all-time lists have listed this among the bloodiest films, while only featuring one very bloody scene. The mood that is set in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is unparalleled in horror film.
The indictment is only one of a series to be handed down as a result of a special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument.
This film feels authentic, like a documentary shot film, and like Cannibal Holocaust, it uses other ideas and other kinds of violence to make understandings of what we're witnessing. One of the scenes that creeps me out most is a scene that involves spiders crawling on top of each other in corners. Now, this scene works so well because it lingers on it, but it's disturbing in multiple ways. But upon first watch, you think nothing of it. It's just, okay, spiders, oh, creepy. But then you see them all kind of crawling on top of each other, I guess, for food. And then we have the theme of these cows in these confined areas. And then you have people in this confined area. And we see what happens when a family that has no regard for humanity and treats them like livestock. We see the horror that that is. But that raises different ideas. This film, in moments, appears to be a vegetarian fighting film. A film that's saying that animals go through such hell and such cruelty and the horror that is violence. And this film really shows violence. Oh, does this film show violence? This film's a very visceral film that it features several psychedelic moments that are very interesting in their function. And Chainsaw Massacre is a classic. But does it truly stand the test of time? Yes! I give it a thumbs up. This film is a masterpiece. It's a 5 out of 5. The kills in this movie are crazy. The atmosphere is intense. The questions it raises are impactful. And this film is one of the best horror films ever made. Definitely one of the best of a genre. Definitely impactful, important, and incredible. Definitely check this one out.